Hello, my name is Kenny, and today, I'm going to teach you all you need to know about Jointrestore Gummies before you buy it. So please watch this video all the way through. I also have two critical notifications for you, so pay great attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about the Jointrestore Gummies supplement is to be cautious of the website from which you intend to purchase it, as the supplement is only available on the official website. To assist you, I've included a link to the official website in the video description. So, what exactly is Jointrestore Gummies, and does it work? Yes, is the response. Jointrestore Gummies is a powerful product that helps to ease painful joints. Jointrestore Gummies can help those who are suffering from chronic pain, such as knee, back, and joint pain. To support joint health, Wellness incorporates full-spectrum CBD and natural botanicals. Ingredients in Jointrestore Gummies: each gummy contains 20 milligrams of full-spectrum CBD, 200 milligrams of Boswellia Serrata Extract, and 3 grams of cane sugar. CBD contains non-addictive and medicinal cannabidiol, which restores physical health and reduces inflammation when eaten in small doses. CBD has been clinically demonstrated to be an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. The ingredients work together to reduce muscular and joint pain while also preventing chronic inflammation. Yes, this product can be trusted. Jointrestore Gummy supplement has helped a lot of people, and you can too. Working with a lab that is approved by the FDA and the U.S. Hemp Authority is also costly. Before you acquire this product, you should be aware of something very crucial. You can try Jointrestore Gummies for 60 days and they will refund your money if you don't notice results or don't like it for any reason. You should also take Jointrestore Gummies carefully if you want them to function. You must take it every single day or you will not experience significant effects and may become discouraged. The first month's results are visible, but most people see superior improvements after 3 months of utilizing this product. It's also worth noting that the Jointrestore Gummies supplement has no adverse effects because it's all natural. So I wanted to do this video Jointrestore Gummies review beforehand to warn you about the website where you'll be purchasing Jointrestore Gummies. And there is discounts going on now on the official website, which is if you order 3 bottles you will get 3 bottles for free, and if you order 2 bottles you will get 1 bottle free. Also, if you purchase the product, follow the instructions carefully. I sincerely hope that this video review of Jointrestore Gummies was helpful to you, and that the Jointrestore Gummies supplement genuinely helps you to enhance your life and reap the many other benefits that this product claims. I wish you the best of luck.